Yeah, hello, good evening. Uh, Welcome to this Photoshop class. This is our very first Photoshop class, and I want us to get used on how to deal with Photoshop. Photoshop, it is a very good software that has a range of properties. It has very many properties that can help us to come up with anything we feel like. We can come up with various designs. So you'll need to install or have Photoshop installed on your machine. Then you can pin it to the taskbar. We just come on the search button and you search for Photoshop. I will not even write it, it is here. You just click on it to open. Yeah, you can double click on it and it opens. So it will take some small time, like 2 to 3 minutes while opening. Yeah, it opens like this. This is the latest version, 2026. You can see from 1990 to 2026. It has all the updated properties. Yeah, it has AI installed in it and other powerful tools, as we shall be seeing. So it will take some quite much time to initialize and open. So when it opens, Photoshop opens like this. This is how it opens, and it is telling you scratch disk low. They are telling me that my disk space is getting full. Yeah, that one is okay. It's fine. Then we'll just click OK. It can still do some work. So when it opens, you'll be able to see this interface. You'll be able to see this interface. Open and what? But to maximize its usage, to get all the tools listed, you just press escape button. So when you press escape button on your PC, it will open like this. And when it opens, it gives you can look at this. It gives you, this is a set of tools. This is a toolbox. This toolbox you can press here to divide it into two so that you can have them on both sides. Then you can, if you want, you can even move it. Most users, they can even move it. They put it near you on the right. Some people would wish to use the toolbox from the right, or you can take it back and it remains the other side. When you see that blue line, you just release. Then if you want again to maximize it on one line, you just click on these two dots. When you click on these dots, then it again goes on one line. Then we are seeing the ribbon here. Here, when you click a tool, when you select a tool from this side, all properties of that tool are listed on the ribbon here, on this ribbon. For example, there is a move tool. This is a move tool. When I click on my move tool, I expect properties of move tool to show up. If I click on this tool here, then its properties also appear here. Let me see, this is a brush tool. If I click on the brush tool, then properties of the brush tool will appear here. You can increase the size of the brush tool, you can reduce, you can change the direction and all that. Then there are very many tools here, and I think by the time we end our lessons, we shall have covered all of them. We have the shape tool. This is the shape tool. When you right click, it will give you different tools. Maybe ellipse. Then you have the line, maybe rectangle. You want to draw a rectangle. Then we have the gradient tool. This one, it can help you to draw gradient lines. This is a pen tool. Pen tool, it has different properties. When you click on it, its properties appear there. So we have got the text tool. This one, it helps us when it comes to writing text. Maybe you want to add text on your document and all that. So there are very many tools. We also have this side, we have colors. Maybe if you want to add colors to your property, to your design. Then there are these very important tools which you also need to know. Maybe the view. For example, you can get different things from view. If you click down view, you can see what happens. Do you want to zoom in or zoom out? As of now, they are not activated because we don't have anything We don't have anything in our window here. Then we have the window. When you select the window, it also comes with various aspects. You can see channels, characters. Maybe you want to change the letter size. If you click on characters, you can see. You can have this one. Maybe you can change the font size. You can reduce the font. You can change the color of your text also using the characters and all that. You can close and it disappears. So they are plugins. You also get used to them. They are layers. You shall see how we deal with layers as we go ahead. Then you can also edit what you have in your window, and when you are done, then you can go to save. You can save as your document. Yeah, you can save as your document, or if you have a flash external disk, you can export it to your flash. It's also okay. So I don't want to keep this recording very long. I want us to stop here. We shall come back with another recording whereby we shall see how we can import documents, how we can create new documents in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you so much for listening. Let's meet in another